Hey, how do you like your breakfast egg? Let us tell you the story of their family. It starts with a little chick who fights their way to life through the shell, but never sees their mother as they're born in an incubator. If the chick is a girl, then first her beak is cut with a hot knife. She'll spend most of her life in a cage without ever seeing the sun. The cage is so tight that the little chick can hardly move her wings or turn around. Many of her fellow cage mates are injured, but there isn't any regular medical treatment. And as nobody cleans the cages, the hygiene conditions are horrific. Many chickens get sick and die. Often the dead animals are not removed, but rot in front of the eyes of the little chicken. After 1 year of egg production, her life ends in the slaughterhouse. And what happens with male chicks? The guys are hand-sorted and then penned up in a small box and gassed or thrown alive in a shredder because they're not of any use to the meat and egg industry. When you eat an egg the next time, remember the story of their family. Show your compassion and say no to the egg suffering.